Salam guys, እንዴት ናችሁ? Welcome back to Amharic and Culture. Today we're gonna cover meals of the day in Amharic. So first things first, we have breakfast. Breakfast in Amharic is ቁርስ. ቁርስ. Lunch in Amharic is ምሳ. 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 Maybe you can guess, but ቁርስ and ምሳ combined would be brunch. So brunch in Amharic is ቁምሳ. Qumsa. Qurs and masa combined. Qumsa. And then there's two different ways I know how to say snack, which is mekses or makoya. Mekses, mekses, or makoya. Then we have dinner. Dinner is erat, 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 erat. And then we have dessert, which is matatamia. 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 So altogether we have qurs, misa, and na erat, which are the three main meals of the day. And then for snack, you can say mekses or makoya. And dessert is matatamia. Matatamia. And that's it for today. I hope you guys get to practice and let me know if you want me to cover any other topics. I'll see you next time. Ciao!